sings again another lullaby. Baby powder beach under my feet has got me rolling, and the breeze through crackling leaves like a daytime campfire burn. And the ship is off to sea, and the wicked is a churn, as the southern wind sings again a night lullaby. You could jump right in, let the music pull you in. You could jump right in, or lose yourself again, as the southern wind sings again a night lullaby. There's a place the locals go and no one knows where to find it, and the river starts to flow inside the clouds of misty mountain. The water from this stone below becomes a blue-green fountain, as the southern wind sings again a night lullaby. You could jump right in, let the music pull you in. You could jump right in, or lose yourself again, as the southern wind sings again a night lullaby. La 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 la. You can find me where the music meets the ocean. If you get the notion, stop on by and play a while. Simple tune to get your love light glowing. Keep your heart wide open, disappear just like the tide, let it roll on by. And jump right in, let the music pull you in. You could jump right in, or lose yourself again, as the southern wind sings again a night lullaby. Southern wind sings again a night lullaby. A lullaby.
Take it in, but don't look down.
'Cause I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? Been holding it in for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
I've tried to cut these corners, try to take the easy way. I kept on falling short of something. I could've gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down.
'Cause I'm on top of the world.